Hey guys, your girl Janice here, coming at you with a quick little video of how I make my own hair moisturizer. Now I know there's a lot of videos about this, but this is how I kind of prematurely do mine, using the products that you see, and I always have a little jar, empty jar, like a jam jar that I use to put it in. First things first, I've got my shea butter. I'm putting it in my really trash mixer, but you know, if you have a really good mixer, this process is so much easier. Put in 2 big tablespoons, and I also add some castor oil. Again, I'm kind of working in twos in my guesstimation, so I put in, at least 2 tablespoons castor oil, 2 tablespoons of sweet almond oil, and 1 more for good measure. I add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and then I add some wild hair growth oil. Now, as I mix this up, I just want to say one thing I missed was also you can add conditioner, just a plain conditioner that you like. Now, as you can tell, yeah, this is not the right mixer to do this kind of job, but I just thought I would film it anyway. We made it, guys. We have our mixture all together. Like I said, if you have a great mixer, you have a more creamy, fluffy texture. But you know what? This does the job. It has the mix. You know, it's mixing the products together. That's my primary goal. Now I add the mix into the fridge just to give it that firmness for it to really set. And there you have it. You have the Jan hair mix, amateur hair mix. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. If you have tried any other better hair recipes, please let me know. You know, I just want simple, easygoing stuff for my hair, and I hope this is helpful, especially if you're starting out your natural journey as well. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Facebook at Janice Diaries, and I'll see you again for another video. God bless.